Did you know more than 10,000 of these jets fly every day? But which one's safer and smarter? Let's break it down. The Boeing 737 MAX and Airbus A320neo are rivals in the sky. Think Batman versus Iron Man, but with tray tables. The MAX boasts advanced sensors and fuel-saving engines but had its safety drama. The A320neo packs smart computers and is famous for its smooth fly-by-wire tech. Both now meet strict safety standards. So next time you fly, you're in good hands. Follow at Aviation Tech Zero for your daily dose of aviation battles.